Hello friends, this is Padmaraj from Christ School. Hope you all are fit and fine. So in our previous class, we discussed about four types of numbers. Natural numbers, that is capital N, whole numbers, capital W, integers, capital Z, and we discussed rational numbers also, capital Q. We also discussed six main concepts from chapter number 1, that is number system. Out of these six concepts, the first concept was finding rational numbers between two given numbers. Means two numbers are given. Now we have to find certain rational numbers between these two given numbers. Now, in the process of finding rational numbers, we will discuss three situations. First situation is the two given numbers can be integers. Say, find five rational numbers between 7 and 8. Here 7 and 8 are integers. Now we have to find a certain number of rational numbers between 7 and 8. Let's say find five rational numbers between 7 and 8. The second condition or second situation can be the given numbers can be two rational numbers with same denominator. For example, the question is find five rational numbers between 4/3 and 5/3. So here 4/3 and 5/3 are two rational numbers with the same denominator. Third and last condition can be the two given rational numbers can be rational numbers with different denominators. Say find five rational numbers between 1/4 and 1/3. Here 1/4 and 1/3 are two rational numbers but with the different denominators. So let us discuss all these three situations one by one. Let's see. Okay friends, let us discuss these three situations. Okay, let us go to first situation when the given numbers are two integers. Okay, let us discuss. Okay, suppose we have to find five rational numbers between two given numbers, two integers 7 and 8. Okay, so here these two numbers are integers and the question is we have to find five rational numbers between these two integers 7 and 8. So we can say 7 and 8 are two integers, or we can say 7 and 8 are rational numbers with denominator as 1. The second condition was we have to find five rational numbers between two rational numbers, but the condition is in these two rational numbers the denominators are same. Say the question is find five rational numbers between 4/3 and 5/3. So here you can see for these two rational numbers the denominators are same. Third situation, the denominators of two rational numbers can be different. You can see the question is we have to find five rational numbers between 1/4 and 1/3. So here we can see 4 and 3 are two different denominators. Okay, let us go to first condition when we have to find five rational numbers between 7 and 8. Now to find rational numbers between two integers or two rational numbers, there are two methods. First method is known as the midpoint method or mid value method. So we will discuss this method also. After that we will discuss another method that is much easy. Let us discuss first method, which is midpoint method or mid value method. For example, we have to find five rational numbers between 7 and 8. So the mid value method says that to find a rational number between two given numbers, two given integers, you do one thing, you add these two numbers 7 and 8 and you divide the sum by 2. So if you add 7 and 8 and divide by 2, so you will get 15 by 2. So here 15 by 2 is the number which is exactly in between 7 and 8. So we got one rational number between 7 and 8. Now how we got this number? By adding these two numbers and dividing the sum by 2. Now to find another rational number between these two numbers, you do one thing, you add 7 and 15 upon 2 and divide the sum by 2. So you will get 29 upon 4. So 29 upon 4 is exactly in between 7 and 15 upon 2. In the same way, if you add 15 upon 2 and 8 and divide the sum by 2, you will get 13 by 4, which is exactly in between 15 upon 2 and 8. So this way, we have three rational numbers between 7 and 8. Now to find two more numbers, again we follow the same procedure. You add these two numbers, 29 upon 4 and 15 by 2, and divide the sum by 2, you will get 59 upon 8. You add 15 upon 2 and 8, divide the sum by 2, you will get 61 upon 8. So this way we can get rational numbers between two given integers, two given numbers. So we can say 29 upon 4, 59 upon 8, 15 upon 2, 61 upon 8, 31 upon 4 are five rational numbers between 7 and 8. Let us take one more example. Let us try to find three rational numbers between 2 and 3. The question is find three rational numbers between 2 and 3. So let us write 2 and 3. Now to find a number between 2 and 3, we have already discussed. So how we can find the number? You add these two numbers, 2 plus 3, and divide the sum by 2. So you will get 5 by 2. So we have one number 5 upon 2 which is in between 2 and 3. Now we have to find two more rational numbers. So again you do one thing, you add these two numbers, 2 plus 5 upon 2, and you divide the sum by 2. So you will get 9 upon 4. So 9 upon 4 is exactly in between these two numbers. So here you can write 9 upon 4. Again, to find another rational number, let us add these two numbers, 5 upon 2 and 3. You add these two numbers, 5 upon 2 and 3, and divide the sum by 2. Then you will get 11 by 4. So this way we can find three rational numbers between two given numbers. So here 9 upon 4, 5 upon 2 and 11 upon 4 are three rational numbers between 2 and 3. So this is midpoint theorem or mid-value theorem. Now let us try to find five rational numbers between 7 and 8 using another method. Okay, let us find five rational numbers between 7 and 8 with the second method, using the second method. Okay, let us try to find. Suppose two given numbers are 7 and 8. We have to find five rational numbers. But in this method, we must remember that the denominator of given numbers must be same. Here 7 and 8 are integers, but we can say the denominator of 7, the denominator is 1. For integer 8 also the denominator is 1. So in this case the denominators are same. Already denominators are same, that is 1. So to find five rational numbers between 7 and 8, so let us write 7 as 7 upon 1 and write 8 as 8 upon 1. Now to find five rational numbers, we have to multiply 7 upon 1 by 6 upon 6, as well as we have to multiply 8 upon 1 by 6 upon 6. So why we are multiplying by 6 upon 6? Because we have to find five rational numbers. Suppose we have to find 6 rational numbers, then we will multiply it by 7 upon 7. But in our case, we are finding five rational numbers, therefore we will multiply 7 by 6 upon 6 and we will multiply 8 by 6 upon 6. So when you multiply 7 upon 1 by 6 upon 6, we get 42 upon 6. When we multiply 8 upon 1 by 6 upon 6, we get 48 upon 6. Now easily we can write five rational numbers between 48 upon 6 and 42 upon 6. Means the number 7 it becomes 42 upon 6 and the number 8 becomes 48 upon 6. So here are five rational numbers: 43 upon 6, 44 upon 6, 45 upon 6, 46 upon 6, 47 upon 6. So these are five rational numbers between 7 and 8. Okay, now go to second situation when the given numbers are rational numbers with the same denominator. For example, let us try to find 5 rational numbers between 4 upon 3 and 5 upon 3. So here the given rational numbers are 4 upon 3 and 5 upon 3, and here also the denominators are same. Okay, now in first situation we also discussed, if we have to find 5 rational numbers, then we have to multiply it by 6 upon 6. So we will multiply 4 upon 3 by 6 upon 6, as well as we will multiply 5 upon 3 by 6 upon 6. So this number 4 upon 3, it becomes 24 upon 18, and 5 upon 3, it becomes 30 upon 18. Now easily we can find 5 rational numbers between 24 upon 18 and 30 upon 18. So these are the 5 rational numbers: 25 upon 18, 26 upon 18, 27 upon 18, 28 upon 18, and 29 upon 18. So these are 5 rational numbers between 4 upon 3 and 5 by 3. Clear? Now let us discuss the third situation when the given numbers are rational numbers but with different denominator. Means in these two given rational numbers, the denominators are different. Say we have to find 5 rational numbers between 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 3. Remember, here the denominators are different. 1 upon 4, 1 upon 3. Let us see. Okay, so now in this situation, when the numbers, the rational numbers are given with the different denominators, let us make the denominators common. We discussed that in all the conditions, in all the situations, every time the denominators must be same. So here 1 upon 4, 1 upon 3, the denominators are not same. So we have to make the denominators same. For doing this, we must take the LCM of the denominators. So here in these two rational numbers, the denominators are 4 and 3. And the LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. So to make, for this rational number 1 upon 4, to make the denominator 12, we have to multiply it by 3 upon 3. So 1 upon 4 can be written as 3 by 12. In the same way, for this number 1 upon 3, we have to multiply it by 4 upon 4. So now 1 upon 3 becomes 4 upon 12. Now we have same denominator, 3 upon 12 and 4 upon 12. Denominators are same. Then the method is, if we are finding 5 rational numbers, we have to multiply it by 6 upon 6. And the other number also we have to multiply it by 6 upon 6. But remember, before multiplying by 6 upon 6, we have to make the denominators same. So 3 upon 12 multiplied by 6 upon 6 becomes 18 upon 72. 4 upon 12 multiplied by 6 upon 6 becomes 24 upon 72. So these are, now easily we can find 5 rational numbers. So 19 upon 72, 20 upon 72, 21 upon 72, 22 upon 72, 23 upon 72. So these are 5 rational numbers between 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 3. So this is the method of finding rational numbers between two given numbers, or we can say between two given rational numbers. Every time two rational numbers are given, we have to find certain rational numbers between these two numbers. The method is clear, but the midpoint method or the mid value method is lengthy, and there is a possibility of mistakes also, because every time we have to add two numbers, we have to take the LCM, then we have to divide it by 2 again and again and again. So it is better we follow this method what we discussed now. Okay, so the homework, or we can say the reference questions related to this chapter is attached in PDF form, so you can download the PDF file.